Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Journey Podcast. I'm your host, Tom, and today we're diving into something we all do every single day, housework. Whether you love it or hate it, we all need to clean, cook, and organize our homes. Today's episode will help you master the most common phrases and sentences about daily housework. We'll cover 6 main areas, and for each one, I'll read the sentences aloud, and I want you to listen carefully and then shadow what I say. This means you'll try to imitate my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as closely as possible. We'll start with 10 basic sentences perfect for beginners, followed by 10 more advanced expressions that sound natural and fluent. So, grab your cleaning supplies, just kidding, and let's get started with our English journey through daily housework. Our first category is cleaning the house. All that sweeping, mopping, and wiping we do to keep our homes spotless. Let's start with 10 basic sentences. I'm cleaning the house. I sweep the floor every day. She is mopping the floor. He is vacuuming the carpet. I wipe the table with a cloth. I clean the windows on weekends. I dust the shelves. I use a broom to sweep. The floor is dirty. I want to clean my room. Great, those are your essential cleaning phrases. Now let's level up with more natural, detailed expressions. I usually clean the living room first because it gets dusty quickly. Could you please vacuum the carpet while I mop the floor? I'm wiping down the kitchen counters before cooking dinner. Don't forget to clean under the sofa, it's full of dust. I try to keep the house clean by doing a little each day. Every Sunday, I spend about an hour cleaning the whole apartment. I use a microfiber cloth so it doesn't leave streaks on the glass. The bathroom needs cleaning, it hasn't been done all week. I feel more relaxed when the house is tidy and clean. After cleaning, I light a candle to make the room smell fresh. Next up is laundry. Washing, drying, and folding our clothes. Here are the basics. I do the laundry every weekend. The washing machine is running. I need to wash my clothes. These clothes are dirty. I fold the clothes after drying. I hang the clothes outside. She is ironing the shirt. I use laundry detergent. I put the clothes in the basket. He is sorting the clothes. Perfect! Now for more sophisticated laundry talk. I always separate my delicate items from regular clothes to prevent any damage in the wash. Could you remind me to take the clothes out of the dryer in about an hour? I'm running low on fabric softener, so I need to pick some up at the grocery store. These jeans are still damp, so I'll hang them up for a few more hours to air dry. I accidentally mixed colors in the wash, and now my white shirt has turned slightly pink. It's such a beautiful sunny day, perfect weather for hanging laundry outside. I really need to tackle that growing pile of clothes that need to be folded and put away. The washing machine has been making strange noises lately, so we might need to call a repair service. I prefer to do laundry early in the morning when electricity rates are lower. Don't put that wool sweater in the dryer, it will shrink if you don't air dry it. Time for everyone's favorite, or least favorite chore, washing dishes. Let's start simple. I wash the dishes after dinner. The sink is full of dirty plates. I use a sponge and dish soap. I rinse the cups with water. I dry the dishes with a towel. I put the clean dishes on the rack. The dishes are clean now. I broke a plate while washing. He is washing the spoons. I hate washing greasy pans. Excellent. Now, let's make it sound more natural. I always wash the dishes right after eating to avoid a mess. Could you please help me clean the pots and pans? I prefer hand washing over using a dishwasher. I soak the dirty pans in hot water before scrubbing. Be careful with the glasses, they're very fragile. It's your turn to do the dishes tonight. I dropped the bowl, but thankfully it didn't break. I wipe the sink after finishing the dishes. Let's clean up the kitchen together after dinner. The dishes are done. Now the kitchen looks great. Now let's talk about cooking and food preparation, the fun part of housework. Basic cooking phrases first. I cook breakfast every morning. She chops vegetables for dinner. We boil water in the pot. He fries eggs in the pan. I bake cookies in the oven. They prepare lunch for tomorrow. She mixes ingredients in a bowl. I heat soup on the stove. We wash fruits before eating. He sets the table for dinner. Tasty! Now for more detailed cooking expressions. I'm planning to meal prep this Sunday so I don't have to cook every single day next week. Could you please preheat the oven to 350 degrees while I finish preparing the ingredients? I love experimenting with new recipes, even though sometimes they don't turn out as expected. The pasta is almost ready. Could you please set the table and get the salad ready? I always keep some frozen meals in the freezer for those busy nights when I don't have time to cook. This recipe calls for fresh herbs, but I only have dried ones. I hope that's okay. I'm trying to eat healthier, so I've been preparing more home-cooked meals instead of ordering takeout. The kitchen smells amazing. What are you making for dinner tonight? I accidentally added too much salt to the soup, but I think I can fix it with some extra vegetables. Cooking for the whole family can be challenging, especially when everyone has different preferences. Let's talk about taking out the trash. Not glamorous, but necessary. Basic sentences. I take out the trash every night. The bin is full. I use a plastic bag. I tie the bag before throwing it out. He is taking the trash outside. I put the bag in the big bin. I forgot to take out the trash yesterday. The trash smells bad. I clean the bin every week. She is replacing the trash bag. I always separate food waste from plastic and paper. Could you take out the garbage before it overflows? Don't forget to bring the bin back after the truck comes. I use compost for vegetable scraps and coffee grounds. The garbage truck usually comes early in the morning.
We need to buy stronger trash bags. They keep breaking. I clean the trash bin with soap and hot water. Taking out the trash is my least favorite chore. I try not to create too much waste by recycling. I take out the trash right after dinner every day.
Finally, let's cover tidying up and organizing, keeping everything in its place. Basic sentences. I make my bed every morning. I put the books on the shelf. I fold the clothes neatly. I clean up my desk. She is organizing her closet. I put my shoes away. He is stacking the boxes. I sort the papers. I pick up toys from the floor. I keep my room tidy. Great! Now let's make it sound more natural. I always make my bed as soon as I wake up. Could you help me organize the living room before guests arrive? I feel calm when everything is in its proper place. I use boxes and baskets to keep things organized. The closet is full. I need to get rid of some old clothes. Organizing the kitchen cabinets took the whole afternoon. A tidy home helps me feel more productive and clear-headed. I'm thinking about buying some storage containers to help keep the basement more organized. It's amazing how much space you can create just by getting rid of things you don't actually need. I always feel more productive when my workspace is clean and well organized. And that's a wrap on today's episode about daily housework. We've covered 6 essential categories with 120 useful phrases and sentences. Remember, housework vocabulary is incredibly practical. You'll use these expressions every single day. Here's my challenge for you. Pick one category we discussed today and try to use those phrases this week while doing your housework. Say them out loud. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget to subscribe to English Journey podcast for more practical English lessons. Next week, we'll be talking about shopping and running errands, another essential topic for daily life. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every small step counts on your English journey. Until next time, this is Tom saying goodbye, and happy housework. Well, at least happy English learning.